Unlock a world of academic power without lightening your wallet, as we reveal how students can harness Gemini's advanced AI capabilities entirely for free. First things first, accessing Gemini's free tier is as simple as heading to the official Gemini website. No complex signups or hidden fees are involved, just navigate to the site, and you'll find the core functionalities of Gemini ready to assist you. Once you're there, the real magic begins. Think of Gemini as your superpowered study partner for academic research. You can ask it to summarize complex articles, explain difficult concepts in simpler terms, or even brainstorm ideas for essays and research papers. Project development is another area where Gemini shines. Stuck on a coding problem without being able to write code yourself? Gemini can help you break down complex tasks, suggest logical steps, and even offer different approaches to problem solving, all through clear, textual explanations. Collaboration is also a breeze. You can use Gemini to generate discussion prompts for group projects, create study guides for your peers, or even to help articulate your team's ideas more clearly to professors. While Gemini's core features are free for everyone, including students, always keep an eye out for potential educational partnerships or limited-time promotions that Google might offer through your institution. These can sometimes unlock even more advanced features or expanded usage limits. Check your university's tech portals or student resource pages regularly. By integrating Gemini into your daily academic routine, you're not just saving money, you're gaining a significant academic edge. Start exploring today and empower your learning journey with this incredible free AI tool.